Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to the second test of the Simplex 4010 demonstration fire alarm system. I have another Simplex themed setup for you today, so we're going to go ahead and get right to it and show you all the devices we have installed. So, if we start with the pull station, you can see I have my Simplex New York stripe chevron on it. This is a conventional pull station. This is the chevron design, as I already stated. And yeah, there it is. As I said, it's got the nice New York stripe on it. So this is actually a pretty rare pull station. It's in really nice condition as well. It was pretty much brand new when I got it. So there it is. That's our pull station for today. If we go on up, this is a combination I have in fact done before. But I have my Simplex 2901-9838 horn on a 4903-9101 strobe plate. That horn is on march time, and the strobe is wired separately, so the strobe is non-coded and it's going to do audible silence. And of course we have the same smoke detectors. Those are Simplex 4098-9714 addressable Simplex smoke detectors, if you were not aware. I should have specified that. But anyway, let's pull the fire alarm. As I said we would, we have audible silence going up there. And you can see we have our first alarm from IDNet device M11, which is just the pull station zone. As you can see, it's a fire monitor zone, so it's just, a monitor module. So yeah. Let's activate one of these detectors. I have my magnet here. I don't know where my can smoke is today, but let's activate both of these. Got that audible silence going up there again. So if we go through our alarms now, you can see obviously first we have the pull station, and then I believe this is the bottom smoke detector because that's the one I activated first, so it makes sense that's the second alarm. That's point 2 smoke detector and point 3. So I'm going to turn my attention back down to the pull station. Got my reset tool here. It's a 3/32 inch of an inch Allen wrench. And you just, put it in, turn it. And it opens up just like that. You can see the model of that is 2099-9798. There's not too much to this pull station. Your pull handle there, which is kind of interesting. So now I'm just going to put my tool back in, close it back and reset it. So there's that. We'll reset here. This system does take a minute to reset. It is quite a bit slower than the 4008. Go ahead and put my tool back there. And the strobe continues to flash. Alright. Back out of that. And system is normal. So let's go ahead and close the door again. So yeah, that's test 2 of the 4010. I know I haven't made a video of this system yet, and really the reason is that I'm having some issues with programming it that I haven't had time to actually sit down and figure out, because I have been, incredibly busy these last few months. So I do apologize for, the lack of uploads, but I'm not getting into a spiel about that. So anyway, that's going to conclude this video for today. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and to check out the links in the description. Thank you, and have a great day.